my name is Alison Layton and I'm the creator of the mini Castorvida castor oil pack. Inside your pack you get your mini Castorvida pack as well as your organic Castorvida castor oil and some leaflets. Today I'll be showing you how to use your pack, where to apply it and how to care for it. If this is the first time using your Castorvida mini pack, then you'll be using a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of your organic Castorvida castor oil. The more you use your pack, the less oil you will use. When using the oil, make sure you are pouring the oil into the center of the fleece side of the pack and avoid getting any oil onto the seams or strap. Fold your pack in half and spread the oil around, and then it is ready to use. Once the oil's been applied, your pack is ready to use. The mini pack is ideal for smaller areas of the body, such as your thyroid, forehead, to cover your eyelashes and eyebrows if you've got castor oil on them, or smaller parts of the body, such as your wrist, ankles, or knees. Place the pack where you want to secure it. Tie the straps to keep it in place. Your pack can be worn for a minimum of an hour, 3 to 4 times a week, or as advised,